If you're looking for serious performance and power in a sleek and portable form, the MSI Katana A17 AI is a top contender. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This laptop comes equipped with a massive 17.3-inch Full HD display running at a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for fluid visuals and crisp detail, whether you're working, editing, or watching high-resolution content. The slim bezels and vibrant panel deliver an immersive experience that's hard to match at this price point. At the core of the Katana A17 is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, an octa-core chip with AI capabilities and up to 16 TOPS of NPU processing, which outperforms even Intel's i7-12700H in many tasks. Combined with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless, and even demanding software runs effortlessly. You also get an enormous 2TB SSD, giving you all the space you need for projects, files, and media, with ultra-fast read/write speeds that keep load times to a minimum. Graphics performance is no less impressive thanks to the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8GB of GDDR6 memory. Whether you're into 3D rendering, simulations, or any GPU-intensive tasks, this setup handles it with ease. The cooling system is also designed for high performance, keeping thermals under control without excessive noise. MSI has made sure to include a rich variety of ports for flexibility, multiple USB 3.2 options, USB-C, HDMI 2.1 that supports 4K at 120Hz or 8K at 60Hz, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. You're covered whether you're connecting to external displays, transferring large files, or using wired peripherals. The 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard adds style while remaining practical in low-light environments, and the audio is powered by Nahimic 3 and high-res audio support for clear and rich sound. It runs on Windows 11 Home, offering all the latest productivity and security features. Additional accessories like the authorized 3-in-1 USB cable make this an even more value-packed offering. All in all, the MSI Katana A17 AI is an impressive combination of performance, visuals, and usability. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.